Hey you guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. I am so excited for today's video. I just really can't contain my excitement. But first off, I'm wearing these like really big clips that I got from Walmart. They were $2.97 and I don't know how I feel about them. I find it kind of hard to style my hair with like bangs and then just my hair. I like have to create a split and then like pull some over. So I don't know. Let me know in the comments if you think it looks good, or you know, if you don't think it's good, just don't say anything at all. And also, if you all are wondering what I'm wearing on my lips, it's the Sephora Stories lipstick that I hauled in my last video. It's the 72 shade and called Sand Blasted. It's a really pretty color. Here's what it looks like. It's just like a really pretty shimmery color. I do want to swatch it just so that way you can kind of get a glimpse of it. That's what it looks like. So I don't know, I feel like it's kind of like super like sparkly on my lips and very metallic. But I put just a little on and kind of like smacked it on my hand so I can get a little bit of the pigment off, and I feel like it looks pretty good. Okay, so that's all I have to talk about there. But today's video is going to be first ever on my channel. This is a mint Mongoose. I'm just going to cover up the shipping label real quick. Here's what the front of it looks like. It has like a cute little thank you sticker with their logo on it from Mint Mongoose. And this is going to be a Mint Mongoose May box unboxing. Real quick disclaimer out there. They did reach out to me and ask if they could send this over for me to review. And I was so excited. I've seen people do Mint Mongoose subscription box unboxings on YouTube and always thought they're really neat. And that's all I've got to say about that. But I was so excited for them to reach out and ask if I could review some of their products. So here's what the envelope looks like whenever you get it. And then on the inside, it comes with a few things. Okay. So it comes with the actual jewelry in this little like cardboard envelope. You get a... This is like a pamphlet talking about the inspiration of how they designed the jewelry for that month. And then quick little thank you business card that talks about how you can share on Instagram and Facebook. And then they always include a little Werther's original candy. And that's really sweet. I think that's kind of a cute touch. Okay, so real quick before we get into the unboxing of the jewelry, I have my phone here pulled up with a few things I want to talk about. First off, you can use my code Bridget, just my name. I will put it here on the screen. If you use my code, you will receive 50% off your first box, which is regularly $15.99. And it includes free US shipping, but anywhere outside the US it will be $10 shipping. So basically Mint Mongoose, in the box you will receive 3 pieces of jewelry each month if you sign up for the subscription box. The monthly collection comes with a postcard explaining the inspiration behind the set, which is usually based on the appreciating little things in life, the simple life she lives with her kids, or customer feedback. And you can pick as to what kind of jewelry you want, the tones of the jewelry you want, whether it be silver, gold, or rose gold. And then you can pick whether you want earrings or not in your box, whether your ears are pierced or not. If you're a new subscriber, your box ships out within 48 hours, and from then your box will ship monthly on the 15th of each month. And then subscribers receive an awesome free gift every 3 months, like a really cool makeup item or a pair of socks or like a fun pair of sunglasses. So I think that's kind of cool. And then subscribers can easily, you can skip a month or cancel your subscription right from their website. And then they also have a store on their website that if you are a subscriber, meaning that you get their monthly box, you can receive 25 to 50% off everything on their online shop. Plus, it includes free worldwide shipping. So yeah, that is all the good information that you needed to know about Mint Mongoose. Also, another thing, Mint Mongoose is one of the most affordable jewelry subscription boxes out there. Mint Mongoose is a mom-ran company with a passion to design, create, and deliver exclusive, meaningful pieces. Each set is inspired from the little things like I talked about. So that was just another thing I wanted to let you all know, that this is a very small brand, very small company, and I think it's really awesome that, you know, they got out there and made this subscription box with these wonderful pieces. So enough jabbering, I'm going to get into the box and show you what all I got this month. When you open it up, you get this envelope and you get a nice little wax seal here on the front with their logo. And then the back, you just open it up and then everything is nicely packaged on the inside. This is the May subscription box I'm showing you guys, and each jewelry item comes it comes nicely wrapped in bubble wrap in the inside. It comes nicely wrapped in bubble wrap, as you can see, and that has a little Mint Mongoose little card talking about if you spent $40 on the online shop, you got a free item. So I do kind of want to read the card talking about each of the jewelry items that is inside of the subscription box. First, I want to talk about the locket, which is the big necklace that we received this month. Everything about, she's talking about her mom. A lot of the jewelry was inspired by her mom this month because it is Mother's Day. Everything about Mom was focused on others. She lived for us, her family, checking in with old friends, and regularly visiting extended family was a priority for her. We wanted to share her celebration and love for others by inviting you to carry those who are special to you around with you. We broke the mold of the traditional tiny locket and enlarged it to the perfect area to feature a full family photo or multiple photos. So here's what the locket looks like. It is a little bit larger than your quote normal locket, and then it has this really neat green marbling on the back. I really do love the front of this. It just looks so vintage to me, and then when you open it up, it just has a nice silver background, and then you close it just like that. And then each necklace has a section where you can enlarge, make it longer, or have it on the shortest length possible. So that is the necklace. And then I was sent another necklace, which I will talk about it real quick. This is the 4-leaf clover necklace. She says, our mama was a St. Patty's Day girl, though through and through. Born on St. Patty's Day in 1960 and went to be with God on St. Patty's Day in 2012. She was big on sporting green all March, and we couldn't think of a better color to celebrate her. So this is just a little simple, as you can see there, it's just a little simple green 4-leaf clover. I think this will be really pretty to like style with other pieces. And this necklace also has the additional links that you can make it longer or shorter. So that is the second piece that we were sent. And then the last piece was the matching earrings to match the necklace. So here are the matching earrings. They kind of match the green marble with the locket, the back of the locket. So here's what they look like. They're kind of just long, and I kind of am digging this like green marble look. It just really looks vintage, and I think it would look pretty with a vintage looking outfit. So that is all 3 of the pieces that I was that comes in the May Mint Mongoose subscription box. And then on the front of that card, I do want to show you real quick. Here's what the front of the card looks like. This is some pictures of her mom, and this is how she drew some inspiration on how to create the jewelry pieces. Here's what the back looks like. It's kind of just showing the jewelry pieces, and then that's where she talks about the inspiration on how to design the jewelry pieces. So here is what the jewelry pieces look like with this is the 4-leaf clover layered with the locket. I really like this. If you wanted to wear the locket with the back facing forwards, I kind of like that look as well, even though this is kind of supposed to be the back and the green is supposed to be the front. But here's what the pieces look like layered that way as well. Here are the earrings styled with the jewelry. I think they're really pretty, really unique. So here's what the pieces look like from afar. Please guys, don't forget to use my code Bridget if you would like to purchase this subscription box. It will get you half off, so it's a really good deal. The original cost of the box will be $15.99 with free US shipping. Otherwise, outside of the US, it will be $10 shipping. And so that'll make the box only be about $8. And I think that's a really good deal. I wanted to thank Helena from over at Mint Mongoose for reaching out and working with me on this. It has been so much fun. Don't forget to tell all of your moms Happy Mother's Day, because they are the real cement that keeps us all molded and keeps us together. And I just wanted to wish everyone a happy Mother's Day, even though this video will be going up on a Monday. But yeah, don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all. Thank you so much for watching today. So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.